Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can combine two shapes or more in Microsoft Word. So let's go straight into it. Now, first thing you need to do is go to the Insert tab and then select Shapes. Let's go and do that. So my first shape will be triangle. It will be triangle now. Again, I will insert another one. So let's go with a star. Something like that. And now you will see if I move one, they won't move together. So what we need to do is basically you press Ctrl or Shift key to select both of them. Now you see that I have selected both of them. And now you will also find here at the top menu, at the top shape format, this one here. Now from here you need to find group. So you will see this group right here in the arrange tab. So click on this group and the group together. So now if I move the object, the boat will move. And this is basically how you can merge shapes icons together. From here now I can shape fill, for example, doesn't matter which color, but something like that, as you can see. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can merge shapes. Also, if you want to unmerge or ungroup, just go to the group again and then ungroup, and we have now separate shapes again. And this is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.